Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another CHEVMAS video. I'm not keeping track. I don't know what CHEVMAS day this is. I really don't. But if you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. Today is going to be a vloggy vlog. Okay, today is going to be a vloggy vlog. Hubby texted me the other day and he's like, hey, we're doing date night on Wednesday. So I was like, ooh, say less. What's the dress code? He's like, just dress your cutest. I was like, say less. So I have this dress in mind. It is a dress that I've worn before. We wear clothes multiple times over here, okay? Yeah, we do. So I'm gonna be wearing a dress that I've worn before. And the bag that I bought to go with my pants for the sip and paint, the bag didn't go with the pants, but the bag goes perfectly with the dress that I'm planning to wear tonight. So I'm gonna be wearing that bag, the dress, my pearl heels, pearls again. Yeah. So stick along for that. I'm currently working and editing a video right now. Listen, guys, pat me on my back because the girl has been, I've missed a couple days. I did miss, like, I don't remember what days, but I've missed a couple days. But a girl has, for the most part, once my mental is good and once my energy is good, I can finish, I can do this. And we're finishing in the name of who? Jesus Christ. Amen. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up work, start get ready. I don't know what time to start get ready, but I'm sure he'll text me and tell me when to get ready. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. Please stick around. Some of us are only staying for like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. A girl is not that boring. I'm not that boring. But if there's something that you want to see in the vlog that you're not seeing in the vlog, let me know. If there's something that you want to see in my videos, let me know what you want to see more of in my videos so that I can be able to do that. Because one thing I'm gonna do is try to what? Execute. Yeah. The kids are on vacation, so that's why there's so much noise in my background too. Come out of the kitchen. So yeah, guys, please remember to like the video. Please comment underneath the video. If you like the vlog, just say like the vlog. If you just want to put a heart, just like the vlog, or just comment so that we can make the algorithm pick up my videos. All right, like, comment, and if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe. I promise a girl is over here working hard. So less talking, let's stop the chatting. I'll see you guys later when we're getting ready for date night. Bye. Sure? No, I think I'm supposed to go.
We'll try something. And then, no, the hand here, we have to put here. So you put over that foot here. But when you put over the foot, you have to bring over the hand.
Okay.
So that flash.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's well.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Alright, ready? Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
to the jazz one? Oh, this looks like something else to keep in here, sir. It's a different place. The venture, no? That's a different thing.
Oh, that's a
Night. What's in there? What's in there? Okay. Meadowbrook staff lunch. Hmm?
straight down here, sir. Oh. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Did you come to a wedding here?
Oh no, the jazz.
The jazz thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
But you know, when you do date nights, you just get into
You just, and it's Christmas. Christmas, and you know, that's Christmas. I believe in that. And we get to dress up, of course. You know?
Bye. Well, little does she know I don't celebrate Christmas, but sometimes you just gotta just leave people alone. Let them say what they wanna say and do what they wanna do. But in here is so cute. Yeah. So we're at the jazz. They do it every Wednesday from 7 to 11 or something like that. So that's what we're doing tonight. It's different, it's chill. I love it. I love it. The dress here was supposed to be for a wedding. This wasn't a dress that I told you guys about earlier, but I was like, listen, let's whip it out. Let's whip it out. And it gives your girl shit. Oh my gosh. The body is bodying in it, okay? The body is body. Right? Alright. But anyways, let's go.
Artist at work, setting up her devices. Just a girly girl. That picture?
No.
You not even know if you can come on the people in grass, but you criticize it. Yeah, describe how it is.
No, you tell me to come on people in grass.
But you describe it all man and sitting and then you not even know if you could have come on. Nobody can have nothing to say about the people in grass. Come right here, sir.
Right there. This way?
Yeah.
Where you come walking here? Hey guys, I just reached home. Literally just reached home. It was a really good date night. As I said, we went to go listen to some music at Regency. They have like jazz nights or live band on Wednesday nights. So that's what we went to go do. When you get there, they give complimentary drinks. And then you can order food. I think it's from 7 up to like 12 or 11. I don't remember what time. It's $3,000 each. So for everybody that's going in, it's $3,000. And yeah, the vibe was really good. It was mostly older folks. I didn't really expect young people to be there, but it was mostly older folks. As you heard the music that the live band did, it went more up into like the older folks type of music and stuff like that. Yeah, but it was really good. I would go back again. And I would try. I don't know if I want to be early, but I want to be early enough to get like a comfortable seat. Where I was very uncomfortable. If I can get a seat where it's just me and my husband, that would be great. So I'm about to call it a night. Gonna go brush my teeth, wash my face. If water is here. Water is never here them hours a night here. So if there is water here, it would be a miracle. I'm here editing some good date night content between hubby and I. I'm here doing some good content to post on TikTok and shorts and stuff like that. It's so cute. The video is too cute. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Tomorrow, see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please remember to like. If you reach this far, please comment. If you reach this far in the video, comment down below gown, like the gown that I have on, gown. Comment down below gown so that I know that you reached this far in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy, okay? Bye.